Hi, my name is Deja Payton, and I'm giving a brief oral presentation on Punnett squares and genetic inheritance. Now, before we begin, I will answer the question about what is a Punnett square. Simply put, a Punnett square is a visual representation showing how traits can pass from parent to offspring. A Punnett square has letters in it. Each letter represents a different allele. Alleles, simply put, are genes that are passed down. And to understand how to read a Punnett square, understand that a capital letter means that it is a dominant trait, or the trait that will physically show that you can see with your eye. The physical traits that you can see with your eye we call phenotypes. The alleles that make up the phenotypes are what we call genotypes. Both are essentially the same, but a different way to show traits. What we're going to look at today are penguins. Mind you, they're going to be fictional penguins, but they'll still get the point across. Now, in this diagram, we have two different sets of penguins. We have a round one with long fins and a tall one with short fins. What other noticeable differences can you see? One parent has no feet and the other parent has feet. We are going to use a Punnett square to prove or disprove where this offspring got its trait of having no feet. Yes, we can see it with our eyes, but how can we prove the genotype? I'll show you how to use a Punnett square. For this example, we are going to use the letter F. When making a Punnett square, you pick one letter to represent the alleles. The capital letter will be the dominant trait, in this case, the trait for having feet, and the lowercase letter will be the trait that is recessive, or the trait that will be the carrier. You will only see the recessive traits, the phenotype, if both alleles are recessive. If both alleles are the same, whether it be recessive or dominant, we call that homozygous, the same. If they are different, meaning one allele is capital or dominant and the other allele is lowercase or recessive,